In just 5 years, a Chinese company went from making batteries to crushing Tesla in global EV sales. How did BYD build the world's most automated car factory? What you're about to see inside will change everything you thought you knew about the future of transportation. Welcome to Robot World, where we explore the most advanced factories on Earth. I'm taking you inside BYD's mega factory in Shenzhen, China, a place where 20,000 robots work alongside humans to produce one electric vehicle every 30 seconds. This isn't just a factory. It's a 3 million square meter automated fortress. Today, you'll witness the exact production line that helped BYD sell 3 million EVs in 2024, surpassing Tesla for the first time in history. But here's the question, how did they do it? This isn't just a factory. It's a 3 million square meter automated fortress. Today, you'll witness the exact production line that helped BYD sell 3 million EVs in 2024, surpassing Tesla for the first time in history. But here's the question, how did they do it? Before we step inside, let me ask you this. What if I told you that 90% of this factory runs without human touch? Would you believe me? Stick around, because you're about to see the proof with your own eyes. We're now entering through the main gate of BYD's Changsha Mega Factory. Security here isn't just for people. AI cameras scan every vehicle, every part, every movement. This is where precision meets paranoia. And that's exactly why BYD's quality control is world-class. Look at this. Assembly lines stretching as far as the eye can see. Orange robotic arms moving in perfect synchronization. Conveyor belts carrying car bodies like a ballet of steel and aluminum. This is automation at a scale humanity has never seen before. Here's the breakdown. 95% automation in welding, 88% in painting, 75% in final assembly. But here's what's shocking. BYD built most of these robots themselves. They didn't buy them from Germany or Japan. They engineered them in-house. Now, you might be wondering, if robots do everything, where are the humans? And more importantly, is this the future we actually want? Hold that thought. The answer might surprise you. But first, let's see how a BYD car is actually born. Every BYD starts here, the stamping workshop. These 8,000-ton hydraulic presses punch out car body panels from raw aluminum sheets. One strike, one panel, every 6 seconds. It's like watching a metal dinosaur chew through steel for breakfast. Each panel is inspected by laser scanners with 0.01 millimeter precision. That's thinner than human hair. If there's even a microscopic dent, the panel gets rejected instantly. This is why BYD's body panels fit together like a Swiss watch. But stamping is just the beginning. These panels are about to enter the most dangerous part of the factory, a place where humans can't survive for more than 30 seconds. Want to know why? Keep watching. Welcome to the welding workshop. Temperature here, over 40 degrees Celsius. Noise level, 110 decibels. And that's why 600 robots do 100% of the work. Not a single human welder in sight. This is robot paradise. Watch these KUKA and ABB robots. Yes, BYD also uses some European tech, as they weld 5,000 points on a single car frame. Each weld takes 0.8 seconds. The precision, plus or minus 0.5 millimeters. A human could never match this consistency. And there it is, a complete car skeleton welded in just 58 seconds. 1 minute, one frame. This is how BYD produces 7,000 car bodies every single day. But here's the crazy part. This used to take 15 minutes with human workers. Now, the frame is heading to the paint shop. But before we go there, let me ask you something. How do you paint a car without a single dust particle landing on it? Because if you think that's easy, you've never tried to paint anything in your life. This is a painting workshop. It's cleaner than a hospital operating room. The air is filtered 100 times per hour. Why? Because one speck of dust can ruin a $30,000 paint job. And BYD can't afford that on 7,000 cars a day. Meet the painting robots. Arms moving like dancers, spraying 12 layers of primer, base coat, and clear coat. Each layer is applied at exactly 25 degrees Celsius with 60% humidity. The robots can paint a full car in 90 seconds. A human, 45 minutes. The result? A mirror-like finish that's 30 microns thick. That's 0.03 millimeters. And it's applied so evenly that if you measure the thickness at 100 different points, the variation would be less than 2 microns. This is nanotechnology at work. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the future of manufacturing, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. We're exploring the world's most advanced factories every week. And you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's keep moving. Here's where BYD's secret weapon comes in, the battery workshop. Remember, BYD started as a battery company in 1995. They've been perfecting this craft for 30 years. And what you're about to see is why Tesla's worried. This is the Blade battery, BYD's game changer. It's safer, denser, and cheaper than Tesla cells. How? It's shaped like a blade, not a cylinder. This design reduces fire risk by 90% and increases range by 20%. And every single cell is made in this room. Watch as robotic arms stack 200 blade cells into a single battery pack. Each cell is tested for voltage, temperature, and resistance before installation. If one cell fails, the entire pack is rejected. Zero tolerance, zero compromise. The completed battery pack weighs 600 kilograms and stores 85 kilowatt hours of energy. That's enough to power your home for a week. And it's installed in the car frame in just 3 minutes by a team of 4 robots working in perfect coordination. So far, we've seen stamping, welding, painting, and battery assembly. But here's the million-dollar question. How does BYD make sure every car is perfect before it leaves the factory? The answer is AI, and it's watching everything. This is the AI brain of the factory, a control room where 50,000 sensors feed data in real time. Every robot, every car, every bolt is tracked by artificial intelligence. If a robot slows down by 0.2 seconds, the AI knows. If a battery heats up by 1 degree, the AI knows. The AI analyzes 2 billion data points every hour. It predicts when a robot will break down before it happens. It optimizes production speed to save energy. It even detects defects invisible to the human eye. This is Industry 4.0 in action. These cameras use computer vision to inspect every car. They check panel gaps, paint consistency, tire alignment, 300 different quality points in 45 seconds. If a human did this, it would take 2 hours, and they'd miss half the defects. But AI inspection isn't enough. Every car goes through real-world testing, and what you're about to see is extreme. We're talking water torture, shake tests, and a climatic chamber that simulates Death Valley in Antarctica. First up, the water test. Each car is blasted with 1,000 liters of water per minute for 15 minutes straight. The pressure? Equivalent to a Category 3 hurricane. If a single drop leaks inside, the car fails. No exceptions. Next, the shake test. The car is placed on a platform that simulates 10 years of driving on rough roads in just 24 hours. Every bolt, every weld, every joint is stressed to the limit. This is how BYD ensures a 15-year lifespan. Finally, the climatic chamber. From minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 85 degrees. The car sits here for 48 hours while sensors monitor battery performance, paint integrity, and electronic stability. If it survives, it's ready for the world. Now, I know what you're thinking. With all these robots and AI, what happens to human workers? Are they just being replaced? Or is there a bigger story here? Let's find out. Here's the truth. BYD employs 300,000 people worldwide. And in this factory alone, 5,000 humans work every day. But their roles have changed. They're no longer assemblers. They're engineers, programmers, quality inspectors, and robot trainers. Meet Li Wei, a 28-year-old robot technician. 5 years ago, he was a manual welder. Today, he programs and maintains 20 welding robots. His salary? Triple what he made before. This is what automation actually looks like. Upskilling, not replacement. In the final assembly area, humans and cobots, collaborative robots, work side by side. The robot lifts heavy parts. The human makes fine adjustments. It's a partnership. The robot has strength and precision. The human has judgment and creativity. BYD invests $500 million annually in worker training. They've built 12 technical schools across China. Why? Because they know the future isn't robots or humans. It's robots and humans together, and that's a future worth building. After 6 hours, 50 stations, and 20,000 quality checks, a BYD seal rolls off the assembly line. From raw metal to a fully functional electric vehicle, this is modern manufacturing. This is the future of transportation, and it's happening right now. Here's why this matters to you. BYD's automation lets them sell a 300-mile range EV for $25,000. That's half the price of a comparable Tesla. Same range, same tech, half the price. This is how China is winning the global EV race. But BYD isn't stopping at China. They're building mega factories in Thailand, Brazil, Hungary, and Indonesia. Their goal? 5 million EVs per year by 2025. That's more than Ford, GM, and Honda combined. The question is, can anyone stop them? And here's something incredible. This entire factory runs on renewable energy. Solar panels cover 80% of the roof. Wind turbines power the rest. BYD's carbon footprint for manufacturing one car? 60% lower than the industry average. They're not just building EVs, they're building them sustainably. Inside BYD's R&D center, 30,000 engineers are already working on the next generation. Solid-state batteries, 800-volt charging, autonomous driving. They file 3,000 patents every year. Innovation here doesn't sleep, it sprints. By 2030, BYD plans to have fully autonomous factories producing 10 million vehicles annually. Imagine robots designing robots, AI optimizing AI, factories that run 24/7 without a single human on the floor. Science fiction? No, it's already being built. But here's what keeps me up at night. If one company can automate an entire industry in 10 years, what happens to the rest of the world? Can America compete? Can Europe adapt? Or is this the moment when manufacturing permanently shifts east? I want to hear from you. Do you think BYD's model is the future? Or are there risks we're not seeing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs to see this. As we wrap up our tour, hundreds of completed BYDs are being loaded onto trucks. Each one represents 6 hours of robotic precision, AI intelligence, and human expertise. Each one is a statement. The future of transportation is electric, automated, and unstoppable. Standing here, watching this mechanical symphony, I can't help but feel we're witnessing a turning point in human history. The fourth industrial revolution isn't coming. It's here, and it's being led by companies like BYD who dare to dream bigger. The question isn't whether robots will take our jobs. The question is, will we evolve alongside them? Will we learn, adapt, and find new ways to create value? Because the factories of tomorrow need the dreamers of today. If you want to see more factory tours like this, Tesla's Gigafactory, Toyota's hydrogen plant, or Foxconn's iPhone assembly lines, make sure you're subscribed to Robot World. We're exploring the future, one factory at a time. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. The future isn't something we wait for. It's something we build. One robot, one battery, one electric car at a time. This is BYD. This is China's EV revolution. And this is just the beginning. Thanks for watching Robot World. Until next time, keep exploring the future.